everyone, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 3. If you're new to my channel, Vlogmas means that I'll be posting a new video every day for the first 25 days of December. So please hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification so you'll be notified when my videos go live every day. All right, so this Echo Park Club paper kit subscription comes every other month. It is $29.99 with free shipping, and it has a full collection for the season that you're in. So I have been sitting on this box for probably 2 weeks now, and I've been waiting to unbox it and set up my B6 for December. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so first thing in the box here, we just have some advertisement for their new collection, Snow Much Fun. So you can see that, and then they have one called the Little Lumberjack. And then with every kit box, you will get this inspiration paper, and it gives you a few ideas on back of some different projects that you can make with the collection that was included. So it'll give you all the materials and what to do. All right, this typically is not scrunched like this. I actually had it sitting up on its side for the whole time I've had it. So rest assured, it does come beautifully packaged. It's just, I kind of let mine go the wrong way, so. All right, so first thing we have here is ephemera. And this is the A Cozy Christmas collection that's in here. So you can see on back all of the different pieces that are in here. Next up is a stamp set. So you got Merry Christmas, Merry and Bright, To and From, Blessed, Tidings of Comfort and Joy, Another Merry Christmas, Snowflakes, Floral, a stocking. So really nice. Next up, we have a 6x6 paper pad with 24 double-sided papers. And you can see the different...
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Apparently, she thought I was talking to her. So 24 double-sided papers. I absolutely love this floral. It reminds me of a washi tape I got a couple years ago that's very similar to that. All right, I'm gonna cut this open and we'll go through it. All right, so we'll just do a quick flip. Then we go the paper pad. And next we have the chipboard stickers. And I will be honest, I don't know why, but chipboard stickers really intimidate me. I don't use them as often as I should. So I think I will make that a point today to use them in my dashboard setup. Next up are the enamel dots, and I have been absolutely loving these lately. I love how it adds subtle dimension to anything that you put them on. Oh, and puffy stickers. These are new. And these are nice because they're puffy, but they're not like mega puffy like stickers were when we were kids, if you know what I'm talking about. Very nice. All right, let me get the box out of the way. And now we have the paper kit, which always includes a sheet of stickers, cardstock stickers, I love that banner. A lot of little stickers that we can use for so many different things. All right, and then we'll go ahead and go through the papers, which are double-sided, and this is a cardstock material. I love these, how you can just cut them apart and use them in different projects as well. And same goes with these, that you can just cut them apart. And it looks to be repeat patterns of the papers we just went through. Oh, look how cute those are. They're like snow globes, but with mason jars. Oh, that's adorable. And wood grain, one of my most favorite of any paper patterns ever. And the beautiful floral. And more cut apart cards. I really like that floral too. And more cut apart cards. All right, so that is everything that came in the collection. I'm gonna go ahead and put together some quick dashboards for my B6TN, and we'll just do that together. All right, so now that I have all of my dividers ready to go, it's time to go ahead and stick them in my traveler's notebook now. Now, don't judge me. I have not set this up again since summer, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove summer. I just never got around to making a fall one. I kept saying I was gonna do it, and I didn't, so it is what it is. So I've cut out a little bit of extra paper to put in the pockets. And these two cards, I just did one, kept two of them together. So that can just stick out there. And then we'll stick that one there. All right. So my first book here is just my monthly, where I keep all of my measurements and goals and things like that. So go ahead and take that out. And I definitely think I want that one in front. And this is a fat book. I printed on 32-pound paper, so it sticks out a little bit. It's not perfect, but that's okay. My second book here is just kind of a catch-all, a commonplace book, I guess, if you want to call it. And this is just a B6 notebook from Simply Gilded, from one of the sub boxes. And my third little insert, this is from Jesenia printables, or the Planner Sophisticate. And I just keep all of the books that I have read for the year in here, which I'm a little behind. I have about another month I need to put in. So go ahead and put that divider. And my final book, this is a book that I keep all of my pictures for my weight loss. I take pictures every month of, you know, the front, the side, and the back. And I was comparing my pictures that I took for the end of November, and I can finally really see a difference. I have lost, I am right under 30 pounds, so I'm really excited about that. All right, so that book's in. And I'm gonna go ahead and leave that pocket blank. And I just put a couple of stickers and things like that in there. All right, so let's do a quick flip. So I got my pockets simply decorated, my monthly, my catch-all, my books read, and pictures and measurements. All right, and that'll complete today's video. Thank you so very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or any suggestions on videos you would like to see for the rest of the month, please leave the suggestions down below in the comments, and I will see you tomorrow for a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.